Squat Goblet. Are you looking to improve your hip flexibility, squat depth, squat form, or even to build lower body strength? If so, check this out. Goblet squats are often undervalued, yet they're an excellent exercise for teaching squat mechanics, improving flexibility, and building lower body strength. The goblet squat aims to place us in a deep squat with the knees tracking in line with the feet and the torso reasonably upright. If you find it hard to hold a deep squat, you might like to elevate your heels. Start by standing with your feet roughly shoulder width apart. Some people like a narrower stance and others like to go slightly wider. Find what works best for you. You can also experiment with turning the feet out 10 to 15 degrees or keeping them straight. Again, this is an individual preference. Hold a kettlebell, dumbbell, or any weight that you have in front of the chest with both hands, like a goblet. Now, make sure your weight is evenly balanced on both feet, as well as from front to back. I like to use the 3 points of contact here: the heel of the foot, the knuckle of the big toe, and the knuckle of the pinky toe are all pushing into the floor. From here, squat down slowly while keeping the 3 contact points pressing into the floor. Move into a nice deep squat position with the feet flat on the floor, the knees tracking in line with the toes and not collapsing inwards. The glutes and quads are contracted, not relaxed. The hamstrings are contracted as you aim to close the angle between the calves and the hamstrings. The chest up and the muscles of your back working to keep the torso as upright as possible. The lats and the lower trapezius contracted to pull the shoulders back and down. Squat as low as you can go by closing the angle between the hamstrings and calves. Once you reach the bottom, reverse the movement by extending the knees and hips to stand up straight. There's a lot to think about in the goblet squat, but all of these cues will benefit you in more advanced squatting movements. If you have trouble keeping your feet flat on the floor or your back is rounding in the squat, you should elevate your heels. Small elevation, like some weight plates, will help most people. The goal is to perform the best looking deep squat you can, so don't be afraid to elevate your heels. Goblet squats can be performed for low repetitions, the 3 to 5 rep range with a heavy weight, or for high repetitions, 15 to 20 reps with a light weight, or anywhere in between. Give it a try, see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.